Did you know your data can hold secret patterns? Well, this is exactly what I'm going to show you using the Kriging method. Starting with a known dataset with a well distribution based on the X and Y map, let's explore the data. We have these data, we have different parameters that we can distribute, the saturation, shale volume, and whatnot. We will be selecting the porosity to work with, so we need to distribute X and Y and Z depending on the coordinates and the depth level of these contours that we're going to interpolate over. Now, the next step would be to have the grid distribution because the wells are usually scattered and they are not geometrically distributed. So we need to distribute these geometrically using the grid functionality. Once we create the grid, now it's time to have the Kriging distribution or property distribution engine installed in Python and imported. Once we do that, now we can execute the engine so it can start distributing those on a grid pattern. So we also need to input the data points that we are going to use over it. And final part is going to import the plot and just doing a simple contour plot for our X, Y, and frost distribution. However, this can be any distribution. Now this is the plot that we get. You can also show the locations of the wells. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.